Hello everyone, this is Candice from Xuzhou Powerson Metal Technology Corporation Limited. This video will let you learn more about the metal siding and why choose DWL metal siding. Firstly, I will show you our metal siding. The surface material is gallium steel plate with special coating and embossed finish treatment, and the core material is B1 fire retardant PU foam, and the bottom material is aluminum foil layer. How about the size? The thickness is 60 mm and the width is 383 mm, and the length can be customized. Just now we learned about the composition of the metal siding, but what are the properties? This metal siding is soundproof and heat insulation, moisture-proof and fire-proof, 3D design, lightweight and easy installation, green environmental protection and durability. So we know the metal siding now, but if you have a question about the color and design, well, we have 17 different patterns and more than 200 colors for selection. We have flat series, single groove series, double groove series, standard brick series, and so on. For the colors, we have all the colors from raw chart and pattern design. Now, I will show you some patterns and colors. Okay, the first one, this one is flat series with wooden color. And the second one is double groove series with yellow color. The third one, this is standard brick series with gray color. And the last one is flat series with pattern brick color. We just got to know the colors and patterns. Next, we will talk about the usage. Metal siding is used for interior and exterior wall decoration, exterior wall renovation. It's suitable for all kinds of walls: steel structure, brick wall, concrete wall, and wooden wall. Mainly used for all kinds of high-grade hotels, villas, schools, residential buildings, and other constructions. About the package and loading, usually 8 pieces one package. For a 20-foot container, it can load about 1,000 square meters, and for one high container, it can load about 3,000 square meters. Here you can check the loading photos for reference. Maybe the most to consider is the installation method. We use convenient and dry home method with aluminum parts and screws. It makes short construction time and lower labor cost than traditional materials. Please check the accessory components picture. Furthermore, we have about 18 years export experience. Our main markets include India, Russia, Africa, Southeast Asia, South America, and more than 20 countries. Okay, for more details, please contact with us. Bye.